Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready for an adventure? A real treasure hunt? Today, we're going on an epic quest called Unlocking Hidden Treasures. But this isn't just any treasure hunt. We're going to become preposition masters. What are prepositions, you ask? They're special words that tell us where things are. Words like in, on, under, behind. You get the idea. And we're going to learn them by playing the Ultimate Hidden Objects Challenge. Ready to test your super sharp eyes? Let's dive right into our first scene. Look closely at this super messy, super fun playroom. There are toys everywhere. Our first mission is to find the fluffy, yellow chick. Can you spot it? I'll give you a hint. It's not on the shelf. Take a good look around. Do you see it? Yes! The yellow chick is the toy box. Great job. See? The word in tells us exactly where the chick is. It's inside the box. You're already a natural at this. All right, challenge number 2. Let's stay in this playroom. Now I need your help to find the shiny red toy car. Where could it be? Let's scan the room. Is it next to the lamp? Nope. Is it in the toy box with the chick? Not there either. Ah, wait a minute. Look carefully. The red toy car is under the table. There it is, hiding. The word under tells us its position. Right below the table. You guys are amazing detectives. 2 for 2. Let's switch things up and head to a new location. Welcome to our cozy little kitchen. So many things to see here. For our next challenge, we need to find the big, round clock. This might be a tricky one. Scan the walls. Look high, look low. Is it on the counter? No. Is it beside the refrigerator? Nope. Give it a good look. Got it. The clock is above the doorway. Fantastic. The word above means it's higher than the doorway. You're finding these treasures like a pro. Okay, let's stick with the kitchen for one more. I've lost my favorite blue mug. Can you help me find it? It's a bright blue color, so it should stand out. Let's start our search. Check the cupboards. Not there. Check the sink. Nope. Let's think about where mugs usually go. Ah, I see it. The blue mug is on the shelf, right next to the plates. Perfect. The preposition on tells us it's resting on the surface of the shelf. You found it. Thank you. Time for a new adventure. Let's go outside to the garden. It's so beautiful out here, with so many flowers and plants. Our next hidden object is a little garden gnome with a pointy red hat. He loves to hide. Where could he be? Look near the flowers. Look near the bushes. Don't give up. Do you see him peeking out? There he is. The garden gnome is hiding behind the big green bush. The word behind means he's on the other side of the bush from us. You're an unstoppable treasure hunter. Let's find one more thing in this lovely garden. We're looking for a small wooden birdhouse. It's where the little birds can make a nest. Scan the area. Is it on the ground? No. Is it hidden in the flowers? No. Look up. The birdhouse is hanging from your branch on the big tree. See it swinging a little? The word from helps us understand it's attached to the branch and hanging down. Excellent work. Let's go on one last trip to the beach, sand, sun, and more hidden objects. Our next challenge is to find a bright pink seashell. There's a lot of sand, so look carefully. Is it near the water? Let's check. Is it by the towel? I see something. The pink seashell is one between the 2 sandcastles. There's a castle on the left, a castle on the right, and the seashell is right in the middle. The word between is perfect for describing that spot. Okay, last challenge of the day. You've been doing so great. Somewhere on this beach, there's a pair of sunglasses. Let's find them before the sun gets too bright. Where would someone leave their sunglasses? Let's look around the beach chair. Not under it. Not behind it. Wait, The sunglasses are on top of the beach towel. They were right there in plain sight. The phrase on top of tells us their exact location. Wow, you did it! You completed the Ultimate Hidden Objects Challenge and became a true preposition master. We found treasures that were in the box, under the table, above the door, on the shelf, behind the bush, from a branch, between the sandcastles, and on top of the towel. You see how useful those little words are. They help us describe the world and find hidden treasures. You were all absolutely brilliant today. Thank you so much for playing along and helping me find everything. I had so much fun on this preposition adventure with you. If you had fun too, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fun learning adventures. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye for now.